Hi, welcome back. Let's make a giant double chocolate chip cookie in the microwave. The ingredients are 6 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 4 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons melted butter, 3 tablespoons milk at room temperature, half a cup chocolate chip cookies or to taste. In a medium bowl, add 6 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon salt, and 4 tablespoons sugar, and mix until all ingredients are well combined. In a small bowl, melt 3 tablespoons of butter and add 3 tablespoons of milk at room temperature and stir until well combined. Next, add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir to form the cookie dough. Once the cookie dough is well combined, add half a cup of chocolate chips and mix into the cookie dough. Place the cookie dough onto parchment paper and form the cookie. You want your cookie to be a little less than half an inch thick so that it'll cook all the way through. Don't forget to add chocolate chunks or chocolate chips on top of your cookie. Place your cookie in the microwave. The cook time will vary. For my microwave, it took 2 minutes and 30 seconds to cook all the way through, and cook time could vary by 10 to 15 seconds. Let the cookie cool down for 5 minutes before serving. Please enjoy this super easy and delicious double chocolate chip cookie. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye, guys.